So Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high, 126,000 US dollars. But traders have been getting wrecked. In the past 24 hours alone, 500 million traders just got wrecked. So make sure you guys stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the zones that I am paying attention to, and hopefully we can avoid becoming the wrecked statistic. So let's take a look at what has happened. Bitcoin pushed up, creating a new all-time high, but left a lot of liquidity below. You can see that we have swept this area right here at about 120,000, sweeping up 600 million liquidity. You can see the two zones building up right now are here at about 126, 370 million, and down here at 119 with 379 million. So the bias right now is very, very strong for longs. The RSI heat map, we've had a pullback on a lot of altcoins. When Bitcoin pushes up, Bitcoin dominance have been going down, so altcoins have been remaining neutral or have been pulling back. That's why we see a lot of altcoins are currently hovering around the neutral or weak RSI level. So let's take a look what is the current zone that I am looking at. Down the bias, of course, for now is to long. As long as we maintain above this range high and above this support level, this is a very, very strong support level, because we do have the value area high, we have our support level here. And if I pull a VWAP from down here where this entire push up started, you see that the VWAP lines up exactly here, and we just dipped and touched the VWAP and rejected quite nicely. So we want this zone to hold, and ideally we want it to hold and get a continuation higher, take out the previous all-time high at 126,000. So the bias for now is to still continue to long. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart right now. Price has maintained or has created this sort of range right here. We're at the value area low, so ideally we want to see a push up to the value area high at least. Okay, this would be the ideal scenario. We want to see Bitcoin pushing higher. A bearish scenario would be if we lose this value area high and start moving down. You can see the value area high and also the point of control are quite close, so losing these two levels would mean we may be pushing back down to 109 or 110,000 dollars. But I would like to maintain my bias towards a bullish scenario, because we have just created a new all-time high. So let's see if we can continue to push up even higher, get one more sweep above, then maybe we can consider looking at bearish scenarios. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is Ethereum. Ethereum, we are at a very nice zone right here. If I pull this fixed range volume profile, you can see we are sitting right at the bottom of the range right here. And if I pull a VWAP, we have rejected quite nicely onto the VWAP. So I would also like to see Ethereum push up from here. We want to see this value area low, point of control, and VWAP hold strong. And ideally we get a push back up to 4.6 thousand. Now if we lose this level here, I do have a lower zone right here where I would be looking to also take a long position. You can see already here we have divergence on the 1 hour RSI, so that indicates there is a possibility of a reversal upwards. However, the 4 hour RSI has already created 4 hour divergences up here, and there is a possibility that we continue down to create a bearish oversold to enter the bearish oversold region. So ideally from here we get at least a slight push up, playing out that 1 hour RSI divergence. If we break down, we want to see this 4 hour divergence in the oversold region. So these are the two zones that I'm paying attention to for Ethereum. For Bitcoin right now, I'm not taking any action. But if you would like to learn and get more frequent updates, you can join the Telegram channel below. I do update more frequently in there because it's much easier to update compared to creating a whole YouTube video. So that's just what I want to say in this video today. Make sure you guys have a plan for trading. Don't go in blind and don't get wrecked. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.